Like, here, hold on.
Dog.
You got him?
Donald.
Yeah, look.
You. Hey, Donald, let me see. Come on.
We've always said something was going on at this house next door to us. We knew it. We always knew it. There come the more ambulances and cops and everything.
Oh, Sarah. Get in the house. Come on. It's too dangerous. Girl, it's like 8 police cars next door. Shut the door. Get back in the license. You don't know those cars shooting or what?
Right next door to you?
Yeah.
Did they just take him?
Huh? I'm upstairs. We always knew something was going on next door. We always knew it just had this little haunted feeling. We always knew. We tell everybody this. We knew something was up.
2 more cops just showed up. Look.
2 more cops just showed up?
The Dodge right there and that Chevy just.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
There's 1.
So we're way, oh, yeah.
5 cops out here now.
Whew, Lord.
5.
Oh, gosh.